COVID vaccine are very important and powerful additional tool to help us to stop with the pandemic. However, the COVID-19 vaccine alone are not enough to end this pandemic. Why? Let me explain. So first of all, the COVID-19 vaccine are very effective for the prevention of the severe diseases, reduce hospitalization, save lives, therefore protect the healthcare system to be overwhelming. This is very effective for all the vaccines that already gone through the clinical trial. And AstraZeneca, Sinovac, and Pfizer and Johnson & Johnson, all these data consistently show that it's very effective to prevent severe diseases. The vaccine the data in the different study, they show the different number. Technically, we cannot compare. Some studies they recruit more healthy people. Some studies also recruit with elderly. Then the different, some are measuring of the efficacy of infection. Some are measuring efficacy of the severe diseases. Then you can see all the different the efficacy data. All the 3 vaccines that Cambodia are using. Cambodia are using AstraZeneca vaccine that has been supported through the COVAX facility where WHO is the key player. The donation from China, Sinopharm, and then the procurement by the Cambodian government, Sinovac. Then all these 3 vaccines have gone through the very standard clinical trial. And all these 3 vaccines has passed the minimum standard requirement as per WHO standard. However, the evidence is more limited to show the effectiveness for the prevention of infection. So which means even after you get the vaccination, you may still get the COVID-19 infection. You may still pass the virus to the others. But you will be less likely to get severe disease, save your life, but you may get a milder infection. And that's exactly the reason we urge the Cambodia to prioritize those vulnerable people to get the vaccine. Healthcare workers, frontline healthcare workers, because they are exposure high risk, the elderly group, those with the chronic condition, and the frontline workers. We advise Cambodia to not stop the vaccination because it is very important to have a safe, effective vaccination site so that they can continue to save their lives. So we do not have enough evidence to show the COVID-19 vaccine can prevent all the infection, and even the very high, vaccine with high efficacy is not 100% effectiveness. So that's why we remind again, urge all the people to continue exercise the current very well-known effective measures: hand washing, physical distancing, wearing mask, avoid crowded, keep your 6 stay home. These all are very effective measures. Should continue together with the vaccine. Then we hope we can end the pandemic as soon as possible.